In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform basic bookkeeping functions and categorize transactions in Wave Accounting. Let's get started by signing in to Wave and opening Wave Accounting. Once you're logged into your account, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, head to the left-hand menu and click on Accounting, then select Transactions. This is your central hub for recording and organizing the money going in and out of your business. To add a new entry, click Add Transaction. You'll be asked to choose whether you're adding a deposit or a withdrawal. Choose Add Deposit when money comes into your business, like customer payments or other income. Choose Add Withdrawal for business spending, such as paying for supplies or utilities. Picking the right type helps your books reflect cash in versus cash out accurately. Now enter the transaction details. Start with the date, matching it to when the money actually moved. Add a clear description so you or anyone else reviewing your books knows exactly what this transaction was for. Next, enter the amount, then choose the account where the transaction happened, such as your business checking account, credit card, or petty cash. Selecting the correct account keeps your balances aligned with your real-world statements. Next, categorize the transaction. Open the category drop-down and select the option that best matches the purpose. For example, office supplies is great for paper, pens, and small equipment. Advertising and promotion fits marketing spend. Vehicle. Fuel is for gas expenses related to business travel. Utilities covers things like electricity or internet. And sales income is ideal for money earned from selling your products or services. Consistent, accurate categories make your reports much more meaningful. Once everything looks correct, click Save. You'll see the transaction appear in your list, now neatly labeled and ready to flow into your reports. It's a good practice to review your bookkeeping records regularly. On the Transactions page, scan your categorized entries to ensure they make sense and reflect what really happened in your business. Clean, consistent records save time at tax season and give you a clearer picture day to day. When you're ready to see the big picture, click Reports. Here you can review key financial statements. The profit and loss shows your income and expenses, highlighting whether you're profitable over a period. The balance sheet summarizes what you own and what you owe, plus your equity, giving a snapshot of financial health. And that's it. You can now perform basic bookkeeping and categorize transactions in Wave Accounting. Thanks for watching.